Aircraft entered a restricted zone. We're talking about aircraft entered a restricted zone. I can move left, but I can't move right. Oh boy, don't tell me they reactivated that thing. Okay, that's enough. Alright, I'm rolling. So apparently I came outside at the exact wrong time because it's starting to dry as drizzle, but I just installed drone hacks. I think I installed the drone hacks on my Mini 3, so I just wanted to give it a quick try. So let me turn on my screen recording. And I'm going to check my map. And on my map, I think it's good. So let me turn on, like I said, let me turn on my screen recording now. Okay. Boom. Recording is on. And the actual recording of the drone is on. Did that. Takeoff permitted, only 10 satellites. It's just not enough, but let me hurry up and get in the air because it's starting to rain and it's getting a bit wizzy. A little bit windy. Okay, go up a little higher. A little higher. Okay. I can move to my right again now. Move to my left, right, back, 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 up, back, up. Put it in cine mode for now. And let's just go up. So I guess this is technically my first flight of 2025. Because it's New Year's Day. I ain't gonna go too far. I just want to make sure my drone hack still works. So let me go over here. Because the house is right there. All right. So let me just see if I can go over it. Go up higher. Up higher, up higher. It's a little windy up there. And I can go over it. So once again, drone hacks has done right by me. All right, so let me back up. All right, like I said, it's raining here, so I don't want to take too much. Let me just get a shot off. Where's my camera? Photos. And get a shot. Get a shot of the intersection. Boom. Boom. Okay. My drone hacks worked. So once again, drone hacks to the rescue. Now let me just bring it back. Too far. Okay, okay. Yeah, all right, all right. It's right above my head. Okay, 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 okay. And right here. So once again, thank you, drone hacks. And let me get my thumbnail. Using my phone today, left the camera inside, so I'm good with that though. And put it on portrait so you can try and get that fake blur. All right, click, click. All right, now we land. All right, so first half flight, sort of, 2025. And yeah, it's drizzling. You can see I don't know if you can see the rain drops on the controller. But yeah, all right, so that's it. Brooklyn Salute, I'm out. Drone hacks. Brooklyn Salute, I'm out.